Hello everybody, my name is Destiny and today I'll be showing you a quick video on how to change your Excel into dark mode. So let's see how to do it. So first of course, we have to go and enter the almighty Excel. As you can see, when we open up Excel initially, then everything is white, and yeah, this pretty much is a flashbang to our eyes. So let's change it. So you want to go File, Options, General, and you want to look for the option named Office Theme. You want to change this to black or dark gray depending on your preference, but in this case we'll be going with black because we're aiming for dark mode. And now this theme will be applied to Word as well, and as we can see now we've got dark mode enabled in Word. But as you can see, the general, like the sheet, is still not in dark mode. So the method that I like to use is you want to go Control A, so we can select everything, the whole worksheet, and you want to go here and we want to select whichever dark theme you want to go for. So in our case, you can choose like how your background is gonna look. In my case, I'll go with this. Now you want to go Control A once again, right click, go Format Cells, go to Border, enable Outline and Inside. So bam, and now as you can see, like the whole worksheet has borders, so we can see like which cell is where, and this looks much cleaner. And now if like the letters are in black, pretty much what you want to do is go Control A yet again, and now look for this option and then change it to white, so you can like clearly see what's happening. And you can like change the strength of the white color. I mean, you can go, I don't know, you can do this magic. And now as you can see, we've turned Excel white mode into dark mode in pretty much no time. So yeah, this was it from this short and quick tutorial. Subscribe and drop a like for more easy and spicy tutorials like this, and I'll see you next one. Bye.